Okay, stats for February of 2023 is out. It's now second week of March that I'm recording this video for you. Just bear with me as I'm going through the stats with you. Now, everyone knows that comparatively to the last year, we are in the correction, but that's not true. What we are dealing with is the day-to-day basis of the real estate, and that shows itself in the level of inventory, or that tiny number that we have on the right side, bottom right side of each report. If you're looking at that, the month over month, what you are seeing is almost 5% price appreciation across the board when you're looking at the GTA stats. And that is very significant if you're not familiar with the housing market. I can give you that reference that at the height of the market, we had almost 8% on average over month of that crazy market that we passed. Now we are getting very close to that 6 to 8% range per month. And that is not the sign that you may call it a correction. That's the sign that that shows itself to you that even at the very high rate interest rates that we are in right now, the market is very active. And because we have low number of inventory and low number of listings that's coming into the market every month, the reason being that people are still anxious, people are still thinking that if they're coming into the market, they are not going to sell. And at the same time, based on the stats that we received from from Stats Canada, we know that majority of people who do not even have the mortgage, that their decision on selling depends on the interest rates. So whether the Bank of Canada is monitoring that or not, I trust that they do, but that's not having that much of an impact on the number of listings that we are getting. Now, going back to the stats, I told you about the GTA stats, which is up 5% year over year. Month over month, meaning that February jumped almost 5% in average prices. If you're breaking that down into the areas into GTA, you'll see that the Toronto, from 3 months of inventory, is now close to 2 months, and the prices in Toronto have appreciated by close to 8%. Average prices. Now, breakdown of that is something that we can do for you if you're a seller or buyer in this environment, and we are going to leave that to an individual consultation that we are doing. What is more important to know is the other areas that you have to look for, because after a month of very low amount of inventory in Durham region, we have seen in January we saw a very sharp, very good and healthy amount of inventory in Durham region with the same level of with the same average numbers of sold stats. Now in Durham region, in the same region, we have another severe lack of inventory, which in the next month, in the month of March, I'm guessing that because of that low level of inventory, we are going to have a price jump in there. The same for the York region, but Brampton and Peel and Halton region are still in a level that we call it a healthy. But if the lack of inventory there continues, we are going to have a price jump there. Now, going into the spring market, we are in the last month of winter market. The March break is around the corner, and going into the spring market, definitely we are getting more inventory. We'll have to watch to see if the buyers are coming into the market at the same level that they have been to the market before or not, meaning that the multiple offers continue or that's going to die down because they have more buyers have more options. Again, we're monitoring that. We don't have a crystal ball. What we know is the supply and demand is now in full effect. Multiple offers are back, and the prices are definitely going towards the higher levels. And to what extent that's gonna level itself, we don't know, but that's the reality. If you're looking for buying or selling, consultation with us would definitely help you to have a clear vision. See you on the next video. Have a great day.